निर्वाणे सर्ग हा भवतीने जीवन सफर करा मस्तीने.
Hello, I'm Pratiksha Manglekar and I welcome you to my channel. This is the 11th episode in my Speechcraft series on the topic World Tourism Day. Are you ready to explore a new destination? I recently visited an incredible place in Maharashtra and I want to share it with you. Watch the video till the end as I will reveal this hidden gem that will leave you absolutely spellbound. Today, as we come together to celebrate World Tourism Day, celebrated on 27 September every year, a day that opens doors to cultures, landscapes and experiences beyond borders. As we embark on this journey of words, let's remind ourselves of the importance of travel in uniting the world, one step, one destination at a time. The theme of World Tourism Day set by the United Nations World Tourism Organization, that is UNWTO, is tourism and green investments. And the focus this is going to be on channeling investments into sustainable tourism to basically preserve natural resources, support local communities and also combat the environmental challenges of our time. But before we dive deeper into this crucial theme, let me take you on a whirlwind trip across some fun travel trivia and facts to stir your wanderlust. Did you know that world's most visited city in 2024 is Bangkok? With over 22 million visitors annually, this vibrant street life, historical temples and lively night markets make it irresistible. Here's another one. The Czech Republic holds the title for having the most number of castles in the world. With over 2,000 castles spread across the country, it's a fairy tale lover's dream destination. Closer to home, India's Kumbh Mela, the largest peaceful gathering in the world. It attracts over 100 million pilgrims. It's a spiritual experience like none other. Now, tourism isn't just about adventure, fun, or ticking off destinations on a bucket list. It's about creating connections, broadening our perspectives, and increasingly about sustainable travel. This brings us back to the message from the UNWTO. The United Nations emphasizes that we can no longer ignore environmental and social impact on tourism. Travel can be a force for good, but only if it contributes positively to the places and communities we visit. Hence, this theme encourages all of us, travelers, governments, and businessmen, to invest in green practices. This means choosing eco-friendly accommodations, reducing our carbon footprint, and supporting local businesses that prioritize sustainability. Here are some ways as we, responsible travelers, can make a difference. Opt for public transport or bikes instead of rental cars. Cities like Amsterdam and Copenhagen are famous for their cycling culture, not only reducing the traffic congestion but also lowering pollution. Support local artisans and small businesses. Buying handcrafted souvenirs not only ensures that you are getting an authentic piece of culture but also directly benefits the local economy. When looking for accommodations, look for eco-certified hotels and lodges. These establishments often invest in green energy and water conservation and also in waste reduction. Here's a fun fact I'm sure you haven't heard before. Did you know that Slovenia is one of the greenest countries in the world? Nearly 60% of its land is covered in forests, and it was the first country to be declared as a green destination. They have set the bar high for ecotourism. As we reflect on the joys and benefits of tourism, we should also acknowledge that this industry supports over 10% of global jobs. In many parts of the world, tourism is the lifeblood of communities. It provides income, opportunities, and hope. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We must strive to protect the environment we visit, respect the cultures we engage with, and ensure that tourism benefits especially the local communities and the generations to come. So, as we close, let us remind ourselves that the true spirit of travel lies not just in seeing new places but leaving a positive footprint behind. As we pack our bags and embark our next adventure, let's do so with a heart full of respect to the world we live in and with the knowledge that our travel choices can make a difference. Thank you and happy World Tourism Day. What's your next travel destination? Let me know in the comments. Many of you watch my videos but do not like or comment. I'd really like to hear your feedback in the comments so that I can improve and create better content for you. Do share this video with travel enthusiasts and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Here are the glimpses of my recent visit to Khas Plateau as promised. Khas Plateau is known as the Plateau of 1,000,000 flowers and has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. From breathtaking landscapes to vibrant flowers, Khas Plateau has something for every kind of a traveler. Whether you are an adventure seeker or just looking for a relaxing getaway, I've got you covered. Today is the last day to enroll for the public speaking workshop happening tomorrow. It will be conducted in 2 batches. One is for kids and another is for adults. I've linked the Google form in the description. Happy journey for your next trip.
फिरवाने सरगहा भवतीने जीवन सफर करा मस्तीने मन सरगम छेडा रे जीवनाचे गीत गारे धुंद भारे फिरवाने सरगहा भवतीने जीवन सफर करा मस्तीने मन सरगम छेडा रे जीवनाचे गीत गारे धुंद भारे नवे पंख पसरा उंच लहरा नवे पंख पसरा उंच लहरा बिर जा रे गीत गारे धुंद भारे